Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preheating to 400 degrees and getting the bacon close to room temperature. This ensures even cooking. Place a foil-lined sheet with a wire rack. The rack lifts grease away so slice is crisp on all sides. Arrange 1 lb of thick-cut bacon in a single layer, not touching. This prevents steaming and uneven browning. Once done arranging, put it in the middle of the oven and set a timer. Precise placement and airflow are why texture improves. You let the bacon bake for 15 to 22 minutes because thickness and oven idiosyncrasies dictate exact time. At halfway, rotate the pan to counter hot spots. This keeps color uniform. If you want extra crisp, move to the top rack for the final 1-2 minutes, but watch closely. Bacon goes from perfect to burned fast. Once the fat renders, you'll have liquid gold. Strain it into a jar for frying or flavoring. Storing it extends usefulness. You finish by transferring bacon to paper towels to drain for 1 to 2 minutes, which firms texture while releasing excess grease. If bacon is too soft, return it to the oven at 425 degrees for a short 1 to 3 minutes. This crisps edges without overcooking. If slices wrinkle, press them gently with a heat-proof spatula while still hot so they flatten and regain contact with the rack. Troubleshooting tip: if burning starts, reduce temperature by
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.